So okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is the second part of the using the cursor. Okay, so previously it was not working. I don't know for what reason. Might be my internet might be down, so I started again. So I told it to write a hello world code in Python. So now I'll say write Flappy Bird. I don't want it to get confused over again, so write a Flappy Bird code in HTML as index.html page. I don't know whether I've given the right instructions or not, but okay, so right now it is working. It has started writing the code, and things seems to be working fine. So in the previous tutorial you must have seen that it was not working properly. I think there was some internet issue or might be some code integration, because cursor was installed a few minutes back only. So I'll do one thing. uh, where is the okay, I think this is the I'll do one thing. I'll just create one file called index.html over here. I'll paste the code, I'll save, and now I just have to run this. So my file is over here. I will open this file, index.html. I will use this only. Arey yaar. Okay, there is very little space. So I don't know whether I can upload the screenshots over here. I think I can. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will just take the screenshot of this, and I'll just tell it that I'm not able to see clearly. Where is okay? So here is my screenshot. So I'll do one thing. I'll just click on the picture. Where is my desktop? This is the screenshot. There is not much enough space between the poles for ball to pass. So let's see what it does. It should fix this. So now I have to just search for this pipe gap thing. So I'll hit Control F and I'll try to search, and it is telling to make this as a 180. So I'll just save this. I'll go to my page and refresh. Oh yeah, okay. What kind of nonsense is this? Okay, working fine, I guess. Okay, so it is working fine. I'll do one thing, make it more challenging. Let's see what it does. No, I don't want to change the. I'll do one thing. I'll try to give it a reference of this index.html. Let me see right now it is working or not. So now it is giving the reference of the hello.html, but it is not giving the reference of the index.html. I'll do one thing. I'll just close this, and I will reopen. Might be that's a caching issue or something like that. Open with cursor, and I'll do one thing. I'll tell it to fix the code on its own. Okay, so let's see whether it is whether it will do that or not. I'll do one thing. I'll just click on add context, files and folders. See, now it is coming. So let's see what it does. I don't know whether it will update the code from the file or not, but it should do something. Okay, so as can be seen, it has implemented some changes. I can click on the accept and I will accept the changes. Code has been saved. I'll go over here and I'll refresh the page. What is this? There is where the hell boil will pass. I'll give it a screenshot, which is the recent one. I'm assuming it this one. Okay, so now it has started generating the code, and I'll do one thing. I'll click on the accept over here, and then let me just refresh. What the hell? Okay, but there is no gap only to pass. Okay, so let me just see. So now as can be seen, it has suggested some changes. I'll do one thing. I'll accept it. I'll go again and refresh. Okay, so now there is a gap. 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 Let me refresh again. Okay, it's fine. Oh no. Okay, so this is happening because I made it more challenging, and it is actually very much challenging. Okay, so as can be seen, our Flappy Bird game is working fine, and you can give it a try. You can make it more challenging or whatever it is. Click to refresh. Oh no. Oh, okay. This is actually very difficult, but you can do give it a try. I think this cursor is working fine, but since I tried it for the first time, there might be some caching issue, or I don't know, plugins were not integrated properly, or it was not able to communicate to the internet properly, or might be the network issue. I'm not quite sure. But now it is working fine. It is doing exactly how I want it to do. Okay, and there are some other options also. Like you can make if you want to ask something, you can click on this ask, and you can ask something. You can make use of the agent also. I don't know what is this manual thing. Work on the explicit add file, blah 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 things. Okay, you can give it a try, and there is this auto balance the quality and speed recommended. Okay, you can give it a automatic speed as well. And if you just go and click on this gear icon over here, there are this something as rules. I just came across rules, and yes, so user rules. Major custom user rules and preference. Okay, I can click on the add. I'll do one thing. I'll go to the chat GPT and I'll tell the chat GPT to give me some user rules. Give me some user rules. What am I doing for cursor? Okay. Um, don't know about the user rules. Let me see what is there. So 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 this is basically the kind of rules you can just implement on your project and all. So if we just check over here, over here you can just define the project rules, user rules, and all these things. Uh, okay, so now I gave it a prompt, make rules, and give it to me so that I can copy paste in the cursor ID, and it has given me this set of rules. Okay, so I can do one thing, I can copy it and I can paste it over here and done. Okay, so these are our these all are our this thing cursor ID rules, the general rules, to use the cursor to assist with the code, not to write an entire module blindly, blah blah things. You can just make your own rules. And if you just scroll down over here, there are these project rules as well. Okay, so I'm not quite sure about like how this rule things works. I'll just explore it more, and we'll meet in our next tutorials where I'll be showing you guys how to make use of these rules and all these things. There are a lot of settings, and if you just click on the extensions over here, so basically there are like extensions also you can which you can just find over here. These are some of the recommended extensions for the your cursor. You can just check out like git lens and all these things. Like some of them are already used by me, like this docker git lens and all these things. So this is just like addition or the upgrade of VS Code, you can say. You can just give it a try. Here you can even give the reference to your files and all, which makes it even much more cool and easy to use. And there are a lot of features of it. If I just come across some more features about the cursor, I'll make yet another tutorial. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like this. If you want to watch more such videos, please consider subscribing, because I'll be updating y'all about the cursor and other AIs in the market, and we'll meet in our next tutorials. Thanks for watching.